Okay, so I'm dealing with the first major screw up in this build. This is the B motor mount, and I have these little heat set inserts in these two holes, but as it turns out, I'm not supposed to have anything in there. Those are supposed to be um, plastic screw-ins for an M5. So what I have to do now is get those out, and since I'm going to have everything messed up, fortunately I've got these little M5 inserts, which aren't exactly the right kind, but better than nothing. So I'm going to pop out the M3s, pop in the M5s, and hope that everything works out. Otherwise, I'll be reprinting this part. Okay, so that worked better than expected because I was capable of pushing the inserts out from the back side, and I really haven't messed very much up. And it's also still a pretty tight fit for an M5 bolt, so I don't think I need to put the M5 inserts in, and we'll see how well this works. Okay, so that's disaster averted. I now have my A and B drives. That's the B drive, here's the A drive, everything's together. Those inserts are supposed to be there. Hurrah, hurrah. Onward to putting this together.